Here's a quick and easy way to factor called the Berry method. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure that there are no GCFs. In our case, 3x squared, 2x, and negative 8 don't. So we're going to move on to our next step in the Berry method, which is to take out that first term and rewrite it twice without the square. You may be thinking, well, that's incorrect. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. But the Berry method has a special trick later on that we're going to use to fix that. In the meantime, we have to go ahead and multiply our a term and our c term. So our a coefficient is 3, and our c constant is negative 8. 3 times negative 8 should give us a negative 24. So let's go ahead and let's think of some factors of 24. We have 1 and 24 are 24. 2 and 12 are 24. 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. And the reason that we're doing this is we're looking for two numbers that multiply to be negative 24, a times c, but they add to be 2. So we need to multiply to be negative 24 and add to be positive 2. And the two numbers that will get us there are 4 and 6. Of course, we're going to need to make our 4 negative because it needs to be a negative 4, so we add to be positive 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And it needs to multiply to be negative 24. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. So our next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to write those in. Negative 4, positive 6. Doesn't matter which order you do it in, but what does matter is this next step. We need to make sure that both of our new sets of parentheses don't have any common factors. This is that extra step I was talking about. So 3x and negative 4 don't, so they're good. We're going to go ahead and rewrite them. However, 3x and 6 do have something in common. If we divide the 3, what we see is we get two whole numbers, a positive 1x and a positive 2. And that is going to be our solution after factoring with the Berry method. We can check it out by foiling it. 3x times x gives us 3x squared. Negative 4 times x, it gives us a minus 4x. 3x times 2 is going to give us plus 6x. Negative 4 times 2 is going to give us minus 8. And when we combine those like terms in the middle, we end up with what we started, meaning that we did it correctly. And that, my friends, is an introduction to the Berry method. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe.